windmill and geothermal, solar panels, make a little bit better life for us on this planet. And we have all the powers in that sense on our hand. And I work with Olivetti to make all kind of, they call smart buildings. It means that when you enter in the building, based on how you feel physically, even emotionally, can you believe it? The mood of the building will change through the computer setup. If you are sad, tired, the tone of the music as soon as you enter, the temperature, even the colors, some aroma, sense it and change based on your need. After that, I came here from Italy and I did alternative energies, as you see, and I work with Nexus Home Energies here. After a while, I got really sick. All my right side was blocked. I was paralyzed, like I couldn't even lift a piece of paper. You can imagine, I was responsible at one office and I couldn't make any report because I was knocked out. And then, in that very moment, I lost also my best friend of cancer. So I was kaput physically and also emotionally. No doctor could help me. So I arrived in my inner, maybe wisdom, intelligence, awareness, I don't know what it was, that maybe I have to find an alternative way of living. Maybe there is an alternative energy that I have to experiment. So before talking about this energy that is within you, that you can work with it, it's like a sap of the tree that knows you very well and goes everywhere with your command, with your attention and desire. Let's go to answer some of these questions. This is only because we want to put our attention on ourselves. We start the journey with these questions. And I give you 1 minute for answering to each of these questions. So from now you have 3 minutes. High mileage questions. Okay. Yes? Your name please and your delegation.
My name is Valeria, and one of my goals of this, of the Peruvian delegation.
Peruvian?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
One of
Let's listen to what she has to say.
Okay. One of my goals is to know every single delegate from here because I think I have too much to learn from each of them and of our group that's the 48. 48! Woo! So I really have a lot of fun and I think that in Peru there's not much of robotics or hydroponics things. So I really wanted to learn and to take every chance I have here so that maybe when I go back I might apply them in my life.
So you answer a question 2 and 3 also, right?
Yeah.
So tell me about how do you energize yourself?
Well, I actually look for my goals and that motivates me to follow my path.
Okay. And how do you balance yourself?
Well, I have really good friends here, so we can just talk about it and feeling like when I'm with them, it feels like family, so yeah.
No, you can apply.
It feels like home.
Thank you.
Sahan, I'm from India. So my goal in this camp is to be the leader of leaders. So to energize myself, I connect with people I don't know. Like there are many people who I don't know here, so I can just go to them, start talking with them, and I
Keep
feel
the
like.
mic next to your mouth.
So what do I do to balance myself? I live in a huge society. I have lots of friends there, so I just go down to play, and I enjoy a lot. So when I enjoy, I start feeling better. If I'm sad.
And how do you balance yourself? leader of the leader. You know? Okay, we learn about that. That's okay. Who else wants to
Hi,
speak?
I am Fernando from the Mexican delegation. My goal here is to learn as many skills as I can. To energize myself, I socialize with new people. There's a bunch of them. And to balance myself, I like to think and sympathize with other people to know what they're feeling and like stay down to earth.
So you are compassionate.
Yes.
You are taking care of other people. Great. That is one of the very good qualities of a leader. Yeah.
I'm Mateo from Colombia.
Colombia?
Colombia.
Colombia.
Well, what are my goals here in the summer camp is to get to know other people, other cultures, especially to get to know better the ones that I thought I already knew, like the Mexican one. I thought I had much more knowledge than I actually have, and to get united as a nation, like between regions that I didn't know many people. And it's that, like, get to know more people, get to empathize with them, and yes, it's like that. Get to know people around the world, get to learn even more and more, and help me to localize actually my goals in life, and to think really what do I want to do with my life, and how do I energize myself. I think it will be first we have to shower and coffee. And then like thinking what do I want to do in the day, especially when I'm not really feeling like to do what I have to do. I think why I'm doing the things, and that helps me. And to balance myself, I listen to music or make some exercise when I have the time. And yes, that helps me a lot. Just like talking to my friends or reading and my family.
Thank you. So you are more contemplative person, right? You reflect.
I'm Colette, and we Trinidad and Tobago delegation, and
Which delegation?
Trinidad and Tobago, Caribbean.
Yes.
Okay, so we as a delegation, our goal from the students for camp is to take all the cultural experience that we gain here, as well as the educational background that we got from here, either from IMU or STEAM, and to carry what we learned from here to our country, and to use what we learned to develop new programs to help with, especially with the youth in our country, which is actually a really big problem we have there. So especially with the youth, that's what we're here for. To energize ourselves, we listen to soca music, which is indigenous for our region. We also like to gather around with not only ourselves, but also youth, friends